Hey there, fellow developers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something awesome in store for you. We're diving into the world of Nuxt.js, a game-changing framework for web development. Nuxt.js is a meta-framework that is built on top of Vue.js, Node.js, Webpack, and Babel.js to design and develop complex, fast, and universal Vue applications. With fantastic developer experience, Nuxt.js strives to make web application development resilient and effective. By taking care of server-side details and client code distribution, Nuxt.js allows developers to concentrate on creating applications using the amazing features it offers. The foundation of Vue.js projects is Nuxt.js, which provides strong frameworks for creating applications with enough flexibility. The secret behind Nuxt.js's power lies in its conventions over configuration principle. Developers can focus on writing code instead of wasting time on setup and configuration. Let's see some key features that make Nuxt.js stand out. Nuxt.js automatically imports helper functions, composables, and Vue APIs for use throughout your application without requiring you to import them explicitly. It uses these functions to execute data fetching, gain access to app context and runtime configuration, manage state, and define components and plugins. Simply put, every component or composable you develop for your project is instantly made available in every page folder without explicitly importing them. Supporting every project's needs out of the box when creating production-grade apps using Nuxt.js would make your Nuxt app extremely complex and challenging to operate. This is why Nuxt.js provides a module system that allows you to extend the core functionality of your Nuxt.js application and enhance integration with any third-party library, such as Tailwind, Axios, Cloudinary, etc. This module system is a function that is called sequentially when running your Nuxt instance. With Nuxt.js modules, you don't have to develop your app from scratch or maintain a boilerplate if a Nuxt module already exists for it. Nuxt.js supports hybrid rendering that lets you use route rules, which determine how the server should respond to a new request on a specific URL, enabling various caching rules per route. It also allows us to leverage features like incremental static generation, which combines SSR with SSG. Framework has a robust server engine called Nitro. This server engine is what powers Nuxt apps. Several exciting features are made possible by the server engine, including cross-platform support for Node.js, Deno, service workers, and other technologies. It provides serverless support, automatic code splitting, async loaded chunks, and development servers with hot module reloading. Routing is referred to as when an application requires more than one page and a mechanism to move between them. Nuxt.js leverages the Vue router module to easily generate routes that are mapped to your files using the page's directory and naming conventions. Data fetching is the act of retrieving data from the server and returning it to the client-side component when it mounts, allowing the component instant access to this data. As a result, the data won't need to load. Nuxt.js allows you to fetch data from any source in your Vue components and pages with SSR-ready capabilities. Nuxt.js also allows you to manage data fetching for your application using the useFetch, useLazyFetch, useAsyncData, and useLazyAsyncData hooks. Nuxt.js automatically generates appropriate meta tags for each page, helping with search engine optimization, SEO, and social media sharing. This ensures that your web pages are properly indexed and displayed on various platforms. It is feasible to use Nuxt.js in different use cases, but there are particular situations where Nuxt excels and developers can make the most of it. Universal applications are applications that use a server-side rendering technique to get client-side data before fully rendering the page on the client browser. A single-page application is a web application or website that dynamically rewrites the current page rather than reloading it. SPA is an ideal option for a website where the user or visitor and the website are constantly interacting. Static generation refers to the process of compiling and rendering a website or app throughout the development phase. The result is a collection of static files that includes the actual HTML document as well as extras like JavaScript and CSS. Nuxt.js offers great developer experience. It provides many solutions, detailed error messages, built-in features, and extensive documentation. Nuxt.js provides versatility between SSR and SSG. It simplifies the creation of a static website based on your Vue application for SSG and offers complete support using the Node.js server to send HTML content. The robust module ecosystem and hook engine of Nuxt.js enable easy integration to your preferred API endpoints, CMS, CSS frameworks, Google Analytics, etc. It offers automatic code splitting, hot module replacement in development, a robust routing system with asynchronous data, and an auto-updating server for easy development out of the box. Nuxt.js provides you with an opinionated structure and setup for easy development. Nuxt.js is excellent for SEO. It addresses every problem single-page apps are known for: client-rendered content, mobile web performance, URL and routing, etc. Here are some of the drawbacks of using Nuxt.js. Working with custom libraries in Nuxt.js can be difficult. High traffic to your site can cause server strain in the case of a large, high-traffic application. You'll need to render different JSX/ functions if you need to develop a highly versatile Vue application, such as when you need to render the contents of a slot in another component. Props must be specified explicitly. You might want to convert some of the CSS classes into props in particular circumstances. In that case, you must specify every prop or use the render methods or JSX. Nuxt.js lacks certain widely used solid plugins and components like Calendar, Vector Maps, and Google Maps. However, some components exist that are typically not well maintained. Also, some plugins don't work on the server side. Creating a new project in Nuxt is straightforward. Nuxt.js allows you to develop a project using various methods. However, utilizing CLI is the most popular and advised method. With npx installed on your computer, Nuxt.js allows you to create a new project by running the command below. After running the command, Nuxt gives a great starting point for organizing your application in an understandable way. To start the development server, run npm run dev. Your Nuxt.js project is up and running and you can access it in your browser. Thank you for watching our video on Nuxt.js. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy coding with Nuxt.js, and see you in the next video.